In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Tripadvisor reviews into your Wix website using a third-party review widget service. This process not only enhances the credibility of your web page, but also provides potential customers with valuable insights directly from other users' experiences. To get started, the first step is selecting a third-party widget service that offers Tripadvisor integration. Some popular options to consider are Common Ninja, TrustMary, or ElfSite. These platforms often provide various plans, including some free options perfect for basic functionality. Once you've decided on a service, follow their instructions to create a review widget. This will typically involve signing up for an account and entering your Tripadvisor business URL. It's an essential step because it connects your business reviews to the widget, allowing them to be displayed on your website. After connecting your Tripadvisor reviews, you'll have the opportunity to customize the appearance and layout of your widget to ensure it fits seamlessly with your site's overall design. You might want to play around with colors, fonts, and layout options to find a look that aligns well with your brand and makes your reviews an appealing feature of your website. Once you're happy with the way your widget looks, you'll need to copy the embed or HTML code provided by the service. This code is what you will use to display the widget on your Wix site. Now it's time to embed your widget into your Wix website. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the editor for the site you want to enhance. On the left-hand menu, you'll notice a plus sign or an Add button. Go ahead and click on it. Use the search feature to locate the Embed or Embed a Site option and select it. This is crucial as it will allow you to place your widget right onto your web page. Next, click on Embed HTML. A blank box should appear on your page, inviting you to enter the code. Select Enter Code or Enter Embed Code and paste the HTML code you copied earlier from the widget service. Once you've pasted the code, click Update or Apply to integrate the widget onto your page. You'll then see the widget displayed on your screen. Feel free to resize and reposition it until it looks just right with your site's layout. Ensuring the placement is visually appealing and functional for your visitors is key. Finally, the last step in the process is to click Publish on your Wix site. This action makes all your hard work live, meaning visitors can now view your Tripadvisor reviews on your website. With these steps, you've not only enhanced your site's content, but also added a personal touch through showcasing authentic, user-generated content. This integration can significantly boost visitor engagement and trust in your brand.